Hi, Craig here from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2001 Mitsubishi Pajero. The Mitsubishi Pajero is, in this model, ran from the 5th month 2000 through to the 10th month 2002. It has a 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine known as the 6G74 with an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. This one is awesome to exceed with leather seats and all the luxury items. V6 petrol engine. They have a good right-hand headlight washer and right-hand fog lamp. You can see we've got a good right-hand front guard, right-hand factory mag, good right-hand electric door mirror. Both right-hand doors appear to be in good condition, insurance quality. It also has a factory side steps. Another factory mag wheel. Got a good right hand tail light, right hand bumper light, good tailgate, factory mag spare wheel, nice clean rear bumper. It's also fitted with a factory tow bar. Got good left-hand tail light. Both of the left-hand doors appear to be in good condition, along with the left-hand factory side step. It's fitted with a chrome left-hand electric door mirror. On a mag wheel. This vehicle is fitted with a factory leather interior. There's power mirrors, power windows, master's window switch. You can see black leather interior. It's fitted with a sunroof. You can an automatic transmission, nice clean center console. Got an aftermarket CD player. Some sun visors, interior mirror, another sun visor, steering wheel. Instrument cluster. On behalf of Total Parts Plus, I'd like to thank you for watching our video.